Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another cooking vlog. So today I will be making paneer masala dhaba style. So enjoy the video guys. For marination we require paneer cut into cubes. These are the masalas: some salt, some garam masala powder, some red chili powder and some turmeric powder. These are the rest of the ingredients. So this is ginger garlic paste, some cumin seeds, some dried red chilies, some cloves, cinnamon stick, crushed cardamoms, bay leaves, garam masala powder, black pepper powder and red chili powder. Then we require some tomato paste, onion paste, some salt, some gram flour which is besan, some coriander powder, cumin powder and kasuri methi. You also require some coriander leaves, some ghee and some oil. We are starting with the marination right now. So we are adding all the powders. We added red chili powder, now adding turmeric powder, then we are gonna add some salt, and last we are adding the garam masala powder. So now we are mixing the paneer properly. We are going to rub each paneer so that the masalas enter the paneer properly, and this is how the marination looks finally after mixing well. Now we are adding few drops of water and we'll keep it aside. Now in the hot pan we are adding some oil. Generally dhaba style cooking has a lot of fat, so I am adding oil and now I'm gonna add ghee. But if you want you can reduce the quantity, but you know, the more you add ghee and oil, it's gonna taste better. So I am adding the ghee right now. Once the ghee and the oil is hot, I will be adding the spices. So now I'm adding cumin seeds. We are adding the bay leaves right now. We are going to add few more spices which includes the cinnamon stick, which I am adding right now, followed by the crushed cardamoms, followed by cloves, and finally the dried red chilies. After that we are going to stir a bit for 1 minute so that everything, all the spices mix well. After stirring for a minute in low flame, we are going to add the onion paste, and after adding the onion paste we are going to increase the flame to medium and mix everything well. Let the spices mix with the onion paste properly. When this is halfway cooked and the onions start changing its color, we will add the ginger garlic paste, and after adding the ginger garlic paste we will let the onion paste cook along with the ginger garlic paste and other spices till it turns golden in color. The paste has turned golden, so now we are adding the red chili powder, the black pepper powder, the garam masala powder. After that we are adding the kasuri methi, the coriander powder and the cumin powder, and after adding everything we are going to mix everything well. After giving it a good mix, we are adding the gram flour or besan. So the gram flour or besan basically acts like a thickener, and it helps the gravy to stay thick and keeps it intact and doesn't make it watery. Now we will cook this in low flame for 2 minutes. After this we will add the freshly chopped coriander leaves and give it a mix. We will cook this for a minute in low flame again. Once the spices are cooked, we will add the tomato paste. You can even slice the tomatoes and put it. After that we will give a quick mix and cover it and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes in low flame. After opening the lid, we will cook this masala in high flame for about 6 to 8 minutes until it starts leaving the sides of the pan. In a separate pan, we are adding 1 tablespoon of ghee. We will warm this ghee up, and after that we will add the marinated paneer. We will cook this paneer for a minute in high flame. We just want to warm the paneer because this will make it soft, and even the masalas will be properly mixed. We don't want to cook the paneer, we will just warm it up for a minute. So I am just warming up the paneer in high flame for a minute. Now we are giving the gravy a good mix, and after that we will add the paneer. We have added the paneer in the gravy, and now I am adding some water. Now we will give it a good mix and then cover it and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes in low flame. So the 2 minutes are over and it's done. Let me just open the lid and show it to you guys. And ta-da! This is the final look, guys. Isn't it looking really tasty? So this is the final paneer masala dhaba style. It was very tasty. Everyone loved it at my place. So guys, you guys should definitely try this recipe out. Just follow the simple steps and you will get an amazing paneer masala dhaba style at your place. Also, for all the proper ingredients, please refer to the description box below. So that was it, guys. I hope you like this video. Guys, you should definitely try this dish. It was very tasty and everybody loved it at my place. I am sure when you will make this dish, everybody will love it. So definitely try this dish out, and I hope you like this video, guys. Do give a thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below how did you like it, and also let me know if you want me to make some other item. I will be very happy to do so. And also share this video with your friends and family, guys, and try it fast. And also subscribe to my channel if you still haven't, which is Priyasha Sengupta Bose _24. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.